guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 36. I've lost 65 pounds on keto. I have 4 beautiful, wonderful kids, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitties, and I'd love it if you would give me a clicky because it really helps my channel grow and get me out into the YouTube recommended space. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. It is weigh-in day and I'm excited because I think I finally had my whoosh. So the last time I weighed myself was before I went, what are you doing? Oh, lightning bug. Before I went to Illinois to get the kids on Thursday morning, the 4th of July. And I weighed like 236.2 or I think something like that. I didn't weigh myself the entire time I was at my mom's. She doesn't have a scale. And then I didn't like track my food, but I was mind tracking my food. And I pretty much only ate like 1 or 2 meals a day. And if the one meal was a big meal, the other meal was kind of just like a snack just to hold me over. And yesterday I didn't even eat until like 9 o'clock at night for the entire day. So I've not eaten yet. Today it's 10 a.m. We are on our way to the pet store to get some light bulbs for Trico, Corey's gecko. Both of his light bulbs are out and Peyton wants to take care of him while Corey is gone. So we're going to move him up into Peyton's room. I'm anxious to see how Link acts in the pet store. Last time he was in there, he peed. That's fun. And he tries to charge at people. Not that he wants to attack people. He's excited. Although he's not, I don't know. He's such a weird dog. So I'm nervous, but we're going to try it. He's got to get out of the house and see people. And that's what we're doing. I'm very thirsty. And I sort of have a headache, and I've not had any Sole water in like 3 days, so I'm kind of craving it, if that makes any sense. I'm so excited that this weight loss stall has finally come to an end. I'm happy my kids are home. I don't know if you've seen, did I say in yesterday's vlog, when I got home I got my mail. I was denied for food stamps.
You did say it.
Okay, so that sucks. I don't understand. Man, I'm taking such a big cut in pay and I still am not approved. I don't understand how that was when the last time I got it, it was cut because I was only making $100 too much. But now I'm making like $200 to $300 less.
He looks so serious.
He does look very serious right now. His eyes are gigantic. Anyways, I'm going to try to make the best out of life. Things are going to be cut. We're going to be on a huge budget. But that's what we got to do. Going to look into food pantries. I am wearing my shirt that I got from Barb. I need to get like I have a white tank top and I put that on there, but it just didn't look right. I need to get like a white sports bra or a white bra. So I have my black sports bra underneath it, but you can totally see through it. So I need to get a white one. I just don't have the moolah for it right now, but I really wanted to wear it. Oh, I was dying to wear it.
It's sprinkling.
I wanted to wear it when I was in Illinois, but I didn't have anything to wear under it, so I was like,
It's sprinkling.
it is sprinkling. It's kind of like a cool day. It's only like 68 out right now. Okay, that's it. We're gonna go. We're almost there, so I'll see you guys soon. So that was not bad. I mean, my arms are, my hands are sore because I had to reel him in so much. There was a couple other dogs in there that he really wanted to hang out with, but he didn't try to go to the people at all, which is what I was worried about. He did let the cashier feed him treats, and when she did pet his head, he growled, but she said, okay, you don't want to be pet, that's fine. And then she just fed him treats and he was okay with that. It's very weird with people, but I want to try to bring him around, you know, things more often so he gets used to that, because I don't like him to be like that. But I can't like force him into, you know, just being pet and stuff. If he doesn't want to be pet by people, don't pet him. But I'd like him to try to get used to being around more people, you know what I mean? I also would like to get something, some type of thing on his body that says, like, I'm a nervous dog or something like that, because I don't want people to just automatically assume he's a husky and he's nice and he wants to be pet. He is a husky and he's nice, but he doesn't want to be pet, because then that's when he's mean, and people don't listen to that. They see a husky and they're like, oh my god, huskies are nice and they're cuddly. He is not cuddly. He's never been cuddly. Does not like to cuddle, and he doesn't care if I pet him. We're his family. He doesn't like when strangers pet him. So I'm going to Starbucks. I have a killer headache. I need coffee. I need caffeine. It's 10:30. Put the caffeine in a vein. Do anything. I need it. Hey guys, I will say, this tank is freaking heavy. We got the new light bulbs. And then we dropped this one. So now this light's not working. But that's okay. We'll get it next week when we have money. And we filled all his water up. And we cleaned it all out. And there he is. Just hanging out. Peyton's super excited.
You said the exact same thing.
That's because that video was for Corey. This is for the vlog. Hey guys, hey. So I am with Josh. He is vlogging. I am walking Link. The kids didn't want to come. Kind of stinks. Tiffany, I got to get her back on her regular schedule. She stays up like super late. So yeah, she's sleeping. I tried to just wake her up. It's like almost 4 o'clock. Yeah, she was awake earlier, but my mom gave me some stuff for Link. It's like a spray that she made. You spray on like by his tail and by his neck. It's supposed to help keep fleas and ticks off of him. Also, she gave me this stuff for the pads of his feet, so they don't get like burnt and stuff. It's made with like coconut oil and beeswax and stuff. So she made me a little, whoa! She made me a little thing of it, so I put that on, and hopefully it's helping him have like an extra coating, because it's kind of warm today. And the black top, I try to make him walk in the grass anyways, because I don't want him to get a little burnt feet. But these sunglasses I gave to Tiffany. Yeah, next to a dumpster. I gave to Tiffany a while ago because they just didn't fit my head. They fit my head. All right, I gotta clean up. A little sweaty, right? I just got done walking Link for 40 minutes. I've been getting requested to show how to do Soleil water. Now, Teami has a really good video over at Keto and the Chaos on how to do it, but I will go ahead and show you how I make mine. So first things first, this is what I use, okay? I have this old pop bottle and I need more. I'm starting to run low. Now I did just use it, so it is mixed up, but normally this water will be clear and down at the bottom will be salt, and it'll be like this hue, this cloudiness. But normally this is all, when it's settled, this is completely clear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take these Himalayan pink salts and I'm gonna pour them in here. I'm gonna pour a nice amount. They say about 1/3 of whatever amount of water you're using. So I'm gonna fill this bottom up, and then I'll show you what I do next. So as you can see, it is now filled with water. So one time and one time only, you will shake it up. Okay. Now you're just going to let it sit for 24 hours, and you will know it's done when the water is clear and there's still salt at the bottom. If there's not any more salt at the bottom, you want to add more salt and let it sit again until the water is clear. Always make sure there is salt, because what is happening is the water is absorbing all of the nutrients and minerals out of the salt until it can't hold anymore. So when there's still salt there, that means it's sucked up everything it can suck up. That's how you get your perfect Soleil water, which I'm pretty sure is 1,400 milligrams of sodium. So I usually take 4 tablespoons, so I get around 5,000, but that's what I do. You take too much, you'll definitely know. You'll get diarrhea. If you don't take enough, you'll get headaches. It's very important. Look up the benefits of Soleil water. But that's how you make it. I like to use the plastic. Some people don't like to use plastic. You definitely do not want to use metal or a metal lid or put a metal spoon or anything, because it will change the chemical balance or something inside the Soleil water. You don't want to do that. So I just use this pop bottle. Dollar Tree does sell little glass containers with plastic lids. I'm looking into getting as soon as I go next time. So I think I'm going to use my chicken that I took out to make like the fajitas, because I'm totally craving that again. But I gotta go get some peppers and onion, and I don't want to. I don't have any money, but I mean, I know they're not expensive, but maybe what can I do with just the chicken? It just won't taste like fajitas without veggies. I'm so tired. That walk, oof. Got a headache. I'm drinking some Soleil water. I got this cat in my face. I took Soleil water. I'm sorry. I took 2 tablespoons of Soleil water and put it in with this Perrier watermelon, and then also put in a little squirt of watermelon Mio. So this tastes really good. So I'm drinking that. I had to put my coffee away because it was just too much. I had a nitro cold brew, and then I had an iced coffee. I don't know. What time is it? My watch is dead, so I don't even know. But I know it's past 4 o'clock, and my children need to eat. It might almost be 5 for all I know, and I've had 3 tiny of the mini salamis. That's all I've had today besides coffee. So I need to eat food probably, huh? Yeah, and I need to get this cat off of me because it's too hot for that. I went to Country Market and I got some things. I just got some onion and some pepper and some ground cumin, and then I also picked this up. This is Truly Hard Seltzer. It's only 1 gram of sugar, 2 carbs. So it was on sale, and I decided to try it. 5% alcohol. They had a couple different flavors. This is the wild berry. And I'm just going to hang out and edit videos. And charge my phone. This is dinner. I made the chicken fajitas, onion, red pepper, green pepper, guacamole, sour cream. Cooked them in the Instapot with some chicken broth and ground cumin, oregano, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder. And then I have Caesar salad with some cracked pepper and some Parmesan cheese and Parmesan wisps. Wisps.